So here is a screen recording on how to remove an accidental video from YouTube, or you've noticed that you wanted to make a couple changes and you want to get rid of the visibility to a student until you make those changes. You're first going to navigate up to the top right icon here in the youtube.com page. You're then going to click on YouTube Studio. This will bring you to your channel dashboard. You are then going to navigate to Videos. If it was a uploaded video, you will find it under the Upload section. For example, if I wanted to take off this district PLC for grade 4, I'm going to check this box next to it, click on More Actions, and then click Delete Forever. Now, if I did that, it will ask me if I understand that this is a permanent deletion. I would then check this I understand box and hit delete forever. Since I do not want to do that with the PLC collaboration, I'm going to hit cancel. Now, if this was an accidental live stream or something along those sorts, you're going to navigate to the live section, where you then can find all of your live videos. Make sure that you are selecting the right one. You're then going to check the box, click More Actions. Same thing, you're going to click Delete Forever. You would have to confirm that you understand, and then if you click this Delete Forever, it will be forever deleted off of YouTube. Now, if you just happen to not want any students to see it, you could easily come over here to where it says Visibility. You can check the caret right here, and you could change its published status. If you change it to private, you and only you will have access to this video. If you put it as unlisted, if this link is shared anywhere, they would be able to find it. If it is public, it is then searchable. So I do recommend, if you do want to delete a video before you make that final call, to make sure that it's not something you're going to ever want again. If so, delete it forever. If it is possibly something you might want to use again in the future, you can just make it private, and then it will not be accessible until you decide to make it unlisted again. If you do have any questions, feel free to dial the help desk at 952-848-4915 during business hours, or shoot an email to support@edinaschools.org. Thanks, and have a great day.